Okay, Sailor. Me and Sailor going in the backyard to see what's left of the garden. Not much. I'm try to pick a few things today, and I'm hoping that's going to be the end of it. So look how pretty the snapdragons are. Beautiful. And the lobelia. So let's see what's growing here. A lot of flowers right now. Lots of stuff still. Gotta get these carrots picked. Turnips, and I don't know what all I have out here. I don't know about these Brussels sprouts. They're growing, but it's really hard to see down here. You can see little tiny Brussels sprouts, but they're not ready to pick. I don't know. First time growing them. But let's get these carrots out. All right, I'm going to start pulling, and I'll show you what I picked from my garden today. Come on, Sailor. Okay, well, I about cleaned up the garden. Sailor keeps coming over here and snagging my carrots. So, got quite a few of carrots. They're about finger size. And got some good sized turnips. Let's see. Turnips. Got some good sized beets. And then I got a handful or so of peas. And my Brussels sprouts, they are still really small, so I'm just going to let them grow. But, so that's about the end. I'm trying to clear out the garden so I can get I want to plant, let's see, Sailor, what are you eating, baby? Did you take a carrot? I want to get my zucchini, my peppers, and cucumbers, and all my spring things in now. And it's already hot here. What are you looking for, Sailor? What are you going to get? Oh, you got a carrot top here. You want another carrot? This dog loves carrots. Okay, take it. Take it. There you go. Go on. All right, so that's about it for today. I got a couple of nice heads of cauliflower, and that's the last of it. Now I'm going to take this in, get it all washed up, and then I'm going to start planting my spring garden pretty darn soon. Now what are you getting? Do you like that carrot? Now what do you want? Here, you want another carrot? You want another one? Let's get one of these little ones. There you go. There you go. No, you don't want it? Okay, you pick one. All right, you guys. That's it for my garden today. Talk to you soon. Love you guys. Bye for now.